All right, so when the Mavic Pro came out, I said to myself, wow, this is the best travel drone. They can't possibly make this thing any better. It's small, it's lightweight, it's foldable, it shoots 4K video. And then this guy came out, the Mavic Air, and I said to myself pretty much the same thing. How could they possibly make this thing any better? It's small, it's lightweight, it's foldable, it shoots 4K video. Here are 5 reasons why I think that this is really the best travel drone. Number 1, it's small and lightweight. It fits in your pocket. This guy is so small and lightweight that it can easily fit inside your carry-on or your backpack. So you can take it almost anywhere you want to go. And because of that, I'm never leaving this guy behind. Number 2, it shoots great video. 4K at 100 megabytes a second, so you'll be getting a lot less compression and more detail in your video. It shoots 1080p at 120 frames a second, so you'll be able to get those really smooth, slow motion shots. Not bad for a drone this size. Number 3, it's easy to fly. It comes ready to go right out of the box, and it pretty much stays in place wherever you put it. It comes with a beginner mode if you've never flown a drone before. Because it's so smooth and steady, getting really good looking shots is gonna be easy. The beginner mode limits your distance, your height, and the speed that you fly the drone in so that you don't go crashing it into anywhere. Number 4 is a pretty interesting one. You don't need a remote to fly this drone. So technically, you only need the drone and your smartphone. In fact, you don't even need your smartphone. You can just use your hands to kind of gesture control it. This feature is pretty cool because if you're just gonna be walking out on the beach and you don't wanna bring a bunch of things with you, you technically just need this guy and you can get pretty cool shots with it. The downfall to using your phone only is that you'll be limited in distance, height, and speed. I prefer the remote because I'm able to fly higher, farther, faster, and it feels a lot safer to me. Number 5 is really cool. The flight modes are pretty sick. I love the boomerang and the asteroid effect. It makes really complex shots easy. The boomerang mode is pretty hard to do if you don't have any assistance. So it's pretty cool that they made that a flight mode. There's one thing that bothers me about this drone. Not the battery life. 20 minutes is pretty good, but the fact that it uses advanced Wi-Fi and not OcuSync really limits how far you can go without getting interference. If you're planning to fly over a populated area, which you have to be very careful with, you're gonna get a lot of interference, and that to me is a huge, 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 huge drawback. The reason is because it doesn't give me the security and the sense of stability that I need to make sure that the drone isn't gonna go flying into a building somewhere. All right, so we're gonna fly pretty low, right over these warehouses, and you'll see how far I can go before I get some radio interference. There we go, weak signal. Need to adjust my antenna. Strong interference, and that's only 1,400 feet away. At about 1,500 feet, we completely lost transmission and the aircraft is already initiating return to home. I don't feel safe flying this in the city, for many reasons. With my Mavic Pro, I was able to go a lot further without getting any sort of interference. And the video transmission is really, really laggy and doesn't make me feel safe flying this over anywhere where there's a lot of interference. My guess is that the version 2 product is gonna get OcuSync and it's gonna be able to go further without interference. Regardless, those 5 reasons are why I think this is the best travel drone. I'm definitely gonna take this everywhere I go with me, everywhere. I mean, it's just so small that why wouldn't you? So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tell me, what do you think? Do you have any other reasons why this might be the best travel drone? Leave your comments and suggestions down here. Thanks for watching.